What's going on, y'all? It's your boy LSR254. You tune in for another one. Make sure you click that subscribe button and click that bell so you don't miss another video. Dropping videos currently 5 times a week. That means if I got them, I'm dropping. So make sure that you tune in. Like I said, hit that subscribe button, hit that bell so you every time one drop, you know what it is. Currently dropping at 4 p.m. The alternative time is going to be 10 a.m., which we may be switching to in the future. So just make sure you have the notification bell on daily, Monday through Friday, 10 a.m. to 4 p.m. Occasionally a live stream here and there. But you'll never miss any of those things if you have a notification bell. So remember, identify your weaknesses, make it your strength. Life is all about choice to choose wisely and productivity over procrastination. And remember that the hustle don't stop, the grind don't stop. Don't.
I be looking good. I be gripping brain, nigga. I be gripping wood. Okay. Hey, my seven. I'm gripping in my seven. Okay. I'm flossing in my seven. I'm riding in my.
What's going on, y'all? It's your boy LSR254. You're tuning in for another one. We're back in the garage. Last video, I think y'all saw me went ahead and put them 240s on there. Excuse me, 245-30s. 245-30s. 22s, not 24s. That's the size that's on the Caprice. It happens when you get them mixed up sometime, man. But what if we get ready to do, go ahead and pull this thing out of the garage, man. There's some things that I do need to do in the back of the Cutlass. There's also some things that we possibly need to go ahead and get done on this box Chevy. So it's been a while since the box Chevy been in here. I know it's not gonna fit as snugly, should I say, as the fucking Cutlass. I want to say when we had it in here, it was damn near backed up to the wall, so which kind of takes away the whole area right here. Not necessarily a bad thing because we are backing it in to get ready to do control arms and all that stuff. So not totally a bad thing, but it is something that's been sitting here. I need to go ahead and get the process started, etc., etc. So we're gonna go ahead and get this bad boy pulled out, and then see exactly where we're gonna sit at with getting the Cutlass in here. Get the Cutlass pulled out. You know what I'm saying, and then get the box Chevy put back in right here. I'm thinking backing in will work better. That way it'll give me room to get it all the way in, but then I also have room to have to kind of scoot back. Because like I said, I don't remember exactly, but for me to pull it all the way up coming forward, I want to say I gotta come all the way up, but I don't know. We're gonna check it. We're gonna try it out. We're gonna see. We'll take it from there. So first and foremost, Her Majesty box Chevy Caprice Latrice. Plus, I feel like I need to move it out the way so this ice can melt. That as well. You know, get some cold start in here. Also, while it's in the garage, man, we'll go ahead and finish up the console thing for it. Alright, so we had a little bit of a problem getting the cutlass started. Battery was dead or whatever, so it's been a little while, cold weather, etc. I don't know, man. I'm thinking about upgrading the battery in this one too. Red top for everybody. You get a red top. That one got a yellow top because, you know, it didn't really require. That one got the yellow top because it got the music. These could just have red top starting battery. That's that bullshit. My Chevy cranked up fine. It was actually in the snow. So, still gonna move it. I'm gonna move it over here. So then, I guess after the sun go down, I'm gonna put it back right there. So, and then it can be right there, and then we'll put it on the battery tender so I can charge back up or whatever. Well, this is definitely a change of events. Look at who in and everything like that. Boss Chevy outside, or not Boss Chevy. Cutlass outside, sitting on the thing, looking good. Actually, see, with them 245s in the front, man, them 265s don't look too bad. They just too wide. So I know that it's gonna look good when we put the 245 all the way around. May even be able to squat a little bit, but I mean, I know there is that possibility we won't be able to because of the offset of the wheels, and that's cool. I can live with that. I like these wheels. I'm gonna run them, so it is what it is. Why don't you just buy new wheels? Look, dude. Hush, just hush. So we got the box Chevy in. Actually, it's not as bad as I thought it was. I mean, although there is not as much room in the front, but I was thinking that this was gonna be like backed up way up here, or I was gonna have to pull the front wheel way in so we could get it back in here. But yeah, because my memory didn't serve me correctly, and yeah, it's been a long time since she done sat up in the garage, so she's good to go. Yeah, see, so now we, like I said, we can do a lot of stuff that we was planning on doing to get the Chevy to be the cruiser. Console, interior, like no matter what the winter throw at us anymore. Like, I mean, honestly, if I would have had it like this before the winter came, or a little week down that we had, I probably could have got a lot done. No cap. But, you know what I'm saying? You can only go from there and proceed and do future shit. So, we'll go ahead and probably jack this thing up in the front. Put it on jack stands, 6 tons. Then get up under there. And then all this stuff over here, up and lower control arms, sway bar, and all that shit. All that shit can get replaced, and we can do the console and the other little things that need to be done. As far as painting, I mean, this will, like, when this is gone, that will free up some room. So, I mean, maybe you could spray it in here. I don't know. It's really not. This is a rather large car. And then, of course, you know, you have to be able to move around it. I don't know. It maybe could be done. What y'all think? Big boy compressor back there. After y'all get me to 10K. And then from there, boom, bring it in the booth, spray it. I don't know. Cortez garage look a whole lot bigger than my shit. Even though, I don't know, I guess I just got a lot of shit. Yep, that's what it is. I got a lot of shit. So, yeah, man, that's gonna wrap it up for this one. And to the next video, man, we'll be getting into the next step on this here. But yeah, she definitely in here looking good, looking great. They got that cutlass out there shining like new money though. I'm telling you, but the tire size by itself to make a difference, dog. And just overall, bro, like, that's kind of like a perfect stand. So I'll probably come down just a little bit. Just a little bit in the back. But other than that, she ready. She ready. Well, till the next time, y'all. Y'all know what it is, man. Identify your weaknesses, make your strength. Life is all about choice to choose wisely and productivity over procrastination. And remember, the hustle don't stop. The grind don't stop. Don't.